Are you ready to explore the next big thing in AI? Meet DeepSeek, the game-changing open-source AI model that's disrupting the industry. Powerful, affordable, and open for all. DeepSeek is an open-source AI model, developed on a budget of less than $6 million. Unlike costly AI models, DeepSeek provides top-tier AI capabilities while remaining accessible to businesses, researchers, and developers worldwide. So why should you care about DeepSeek? Here's what makes it stand out. Open source, fully accessible and customizable. Budget-friendly, high performance without breaking the bank. Advanced capabilities, supports natural language processing, code generation and more. Now let's get you started with DeepSeek. Follow these steps to unlock its full potential. First, let's talk about system requirements. Ensure your system has high-performance hardware for smooth operation. Also, don't forget to install the necessary software dependencies for optimal performance. Next, let's move on to installation. Head to DeepSeek's GitHub repository to download the latest version. Clone the repository and set up your development environment by installing the required libraries. Once you have everything set up, you can proceed to run DeepSeek. Prepare your input data according to DeepSeek's guidelines. Then run the model with the right commands and analyze the output for insights. Lastly, customization is key. Fine-tune the model to match your needs. And hey, don't hesitate to join the DeepSeek community for updates, support, and collaborations. Before diving in, keep these in mind. Data security is crucial. Ensure compliance with privacy regulations. Also, technical expertise is essential. DeepSeek requires AI knowledge for effective implementation. DeepSeek is revolutionizing AI by making powerful technology accessible to all. Ready to explore? Try it now, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI insights. #DeepSeek #A revolution #machine learning #artificial intelligence #open source AI #tech for all #I innovation #future of AI #AI for developers #cost effective AI #game changer.